Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an app review on Dr. Wolf. So Dr. Wolf is this educational app where your kids can learn how to play chess. I love playing chess with my dad, but I needed to find a way to learn. So my dad gave me this app, Dr. Wolf. And Dr. Wolf is pretty fun. You get to learn all the strategies and find a way to beat people. So let me show you. Okay, so this is Dr. Wolf. So I'm gonna go home and I wanna train. Okay, so there, I placed it. And then okay, so what I wanna do is, I can't do that, I can only move that way. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, I can't do that. Okay, so this is Dr. Wolf. And then you can play again. You can go home to your home and you can learn about lessons. So you can do lessons. And then the lessons are ranked on what level you are. I hope you enjoyed my app review for Smart Bubblegum. And I really hope you go check out Dr. Wolf. Now, bye guys!